Hey everyone, and welcome back to AVSDG Zone. Are you looking for real ways to make money online, even if you're just starting out? Well, today, we're diving deep into a platform that lets you earn in so many different ways, it's almost unbelievable. We're talking about TimeBucks. Get ready to discover how you can start earning as soon as today. So, what exactly is TimeBucks? It's a fantastic online platform that pays you for doing all sorts of simple tasks. We're talking about things like posting on Facebook, viewing funny slideshows, playing games, installing apps, completing microtasks, and even answering surveys. Sounds interesting, right? Some of these might seem a little out there, like getting paid to post on Facebook or view slideshows, but trust me, we'll break it all down for you. Now, what makes TimeBucks stand out from the crowd? Here's where it gets exciting. Tons of ways to earn. Unlike some platforms that focus on just one or two methods, TimeBucks offers a massive variety. Whether you have a few spare minutes for quick clicks, want to dive into slightly higher paying tasks, enjoy playing games, or have a knack for sharing with friends, there's something for everyone. Start earning instantly, forget lengthy approval processes. With TimeBucks, sign up is lightning fast, they say just 5 seconds, and you can start earning immediately. You even get a nice $1 bonus just for signing up. That's instant wins right there. Daily bonuses and competitions. TimeBucks keeps things engaging with daily bonuses. They run a competition where the top 100 earners win extra cash each day. It's a great incentive to stay active and earn more. Awesome referral program. If you enjoy TimeBucks, you can earn a fantastic 15% commission on the earnings of everyone you refer. And the best part? This commission lasts for life. Imagine earning a passive income just by sharing a platform you love. Weekly payouts and multiple payment methods. Getting paid is crucial, and TimeBucks delivers with weekly payouts and 6 different payment methods. This makes it convenient for people all over the world to access their earnings. Unique value proposition. TimeBucks truly offers accessibility for beginners to start making money online through a diverse range of simple and engaging tasks with instant sign-up and consistent weekly payouts. It's a great way to earn some extra income in your spare time without needing any special skills or prior experience. Now, let's be realistic. You're not going to get rich overnight with TimeBucks. The payouts for some tasks, like viewing content, might seem small at first. However, as the video transcript mentions, it really adds up over time. Focus on the task section and offer walls, as these tend to have significantly higher payouts. You can earn anywhere from a few cents to over $1 for completing certain tasks. And don't forget those potential referral earnings. Ready to jump in and start earning? It's super easy. Just head over to TimeBucks, link in the description below. You'll just need an email and a password to sign up, and bam! You're in. Take some time to explore the different earning sections like surveys, content, tasks, offer walls, and refer. Start with the tasks that seem most interesting to you and work your way through. Keep an eye on the daily goal checklist for extra bonuses and sweepstake entries. So there you have it. TimeBucks is a fantastic platform for anyone looking to earn some extra cash online with a wide variety of options and instant access. Click the link in the description below to sign up for TimeBucks and get your free $1 bonus. Let me know in the comments below which earning methods on TimeBucks you're most excited to try. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to AVSDG Zone for more awesome ways to make money online. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.